Various Kuki organizations will be organizing a rally at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi on August 31, 2024, demanding the formation of Union Territory with a legislature for the Kuki Jew. The rally organized by the Kuki N.Biren Kuki Students Organization is scheduled from 1:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is being organized in protest against what the organizers term institutionalized genocide at the hands of the N.Biren Singh-led BJP government against the Kuki Jew community. The demonstrators will demand that justice be delivered and full autonomy be given, with the Union Territory demand being a guarantee for rights and security to the Kuki Jew people. Apart from the New Delhi rally, there will be another rally at Lamka that is jointly being organized by the Jomi Students Federation and the Kuki Students Organization. Both the rallies are demanding that the crisis in Manipur draws national attention and immediate action by the central government.